I'd like to pose a question to the floor. Tavua, you've heard today that we are well protected. Is anyone doubting our protection about the iTaukei protection in our land? Do you agree with me that we are protected? I want to hear from you. Okay? Do you agree with me that it's quite a fair draft? In fact, more than fair to all of us. You agree with that? Do you agree with me then? Yes. That we should adopt this constitution? Yes or no? Yes. Mr. Acting Prime Minister, sir, and the Attorney General, you've heard my people speak. What they say is also my resolution. And I must congratulate the government for the draft constitution, and we pray and hope that will be passed and adopted as the Constitution of Fiji. And I must thank you for making your time available during your busy schedule to say yes at a very short notice to my letter of request for you to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
May God bless you and God bless Fiji.
Thank you.